You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Writing lessons, language analysis, how writers achieve effects. Mastery of the Cambridge IGCSE curriculum requirements, a scaffolded approach to guide students through the process of analyzing. Let's look at the reading standards for language analysis. Understand explicit meanings, understand implicit meanings, and understand how writers achieve effects. Now let's discuss the marking criteria for analyzing. Your content will be assessed out of 15 marks using established reading standards. The available marks are divided into 5 levels, each with specific marks assigned to them. You are expected to reach level 5, which requires you to engage in comprehensive language analysis, employ precise and imaginative imagery, demonstrate linguistic proficiency. Before we begin the lesson, let's test our understanding of language techniques. First, imagery types. Match the imagery types with your examples. The first one is done for you. Now pause the video for a while and complete the rest of the exercise. When you're done, check your answers against the answer key. Second, word classes. Match the word classes with your highlighted examples. The first one is done for you. Now pause the video and complete the rest of the exercise. When you're done, check your answers against the answer key. Third, figurative language. Match the figurative language with your highlighted examples. The first one is done for you. Now pause the video and complete the rest of the exercise. When you're done, check your answers against the answer key. Finally, language techniques. Match the language techniques with your highlighted examples. The first one is done for you. Now pause the video and complete the rest of the exercise. When you're done, check your answers against the answer key. Now let's analyze the analysis prompt, similar to what you would encounter in your Cambridge IGCSE First Language English paper. First of all, read the prompt carefully and understand what is expected of you. You are expected to explain how the writer uses language to convey meaning and create effect. To do so, choose 3 examples of words or phrases from each paragraph. Ensure your choices include examples of imagery. Finally, remember to adhere to the word limit. Read paragraph 5 carefully. Annotate it to identify 3 examples of words or phrases that use imagery. Example 1, phrase, toppled heavily. Example 2, word, ripping. Example 3, phrase, mischievous assailants. Utilize DEI, devise evidence inference technique. Gather information to include in the language analysis. Begin with an overview of the paragraph. In this case, it would be a mild accident presented as an exaggerated battle with ivy. Next, identify the device, a verb-adverb combination. Provide evidence, toppled heavily. Draw inferences such as falling over, losing balance, being unable to stop oneself, experiencing a forceful landing, potentially serious consequences, humorous or silly elements, and a cartoon-like scenario. Follow the sentence frame to conduct the language analysis, inserting the required information accordingly. Begin with the paragraph number. Proceed to provide an overview. Next, include the gathered information about the device for the first section. Also, include details about the evidence. Additionally, utilize the information from the inference section to craft a meaningful sentence. Maintain the same sequence for the second and third sections. The final draft of your paragraph should be structured something like this. This is a hands-on exercise to apply learned techniques in analyzing text. Read the paragraph, annotate it to identify 3 examples of words or phrases that employ imagery. Then utilize DEI, device evidence inference technique, and conduct language analysis. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more lessons and tips. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's master language together.